Now the video me. News by picture. Yes, so my people, welcome to News by Pictures. Now me again, the host am today. Now me they call Sweet Prince, Mr. Farawa, Undisputed Farawa, Abu Jesus, Papa Hassan, Papa Money, anyone what you call me, I did. Yes, today News by Picture, you go talk well because why? I get plenty news wey go interest you now. Yes, the first news we make am today for News by Picture. Now this our bros. Now see am. This bros as suffer come make am come mumu rich. He pick more than 2 million naira. He can't go give the person who get the money. You know what they give am? They give am. Just see am now. They give a carton of Indomie, make it a chop. Bros belle don big. Now, what we learn for this one? If person, no, man, I hold on, bros, I want to talk to you. If person lost money and you pick that money, go give the person. If the person not fit dash you money, can't they give you 2 cartons of Indomie? What are you supposed to tell the person? What are you supposed to tell the person? You better say you don't take am at all. Than to go dey collect 2 cartons of Indomie. Now see your belly now. You don't chop. See your belly. You don't big. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That be your case. The second news today will enter body. Will enter this news by pictures. This one it shocked me. Now advice I want give una now. Una wey dey say church, not everything dey. Abeg, men are dey careful. Mostly women una dey talk to now. Make una dey careful for the kind of people una dey call men of God or people una dey call daddy. Una go leave una husband for house. Una go be person una no know, person wey dey feed una, wey no dey pay una house rent, wey no dey take care of una. Una go leave una papa pikin, go dey call somebody daddy. See this idiot now, see am. Una see am now. Shey una dey see am. Because I don't tire to dey look this idiot. The video come out to for internet. Everybody they look am. Hey! Wait, first, wait. Never shoot the video. Everybody they look am. This man, now man will be saying, not even pastor, he call himself. He call himself bishop for Calabar land, I mean for Akwa Ibom. The man, nobody God they serve. Nobody in the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit they do. This man they do more than that. He they do fire. He they do all of them. He they do juju. He they do voodoo. He they do ogume. He they do Jackie Chan. He they do Hindus. He they do all the whole thing just to get power. When they catch him, as they catch him for their town, that's what they do now. They fuck him up. Una ten a line. Oh yeah. Play the video.
What's your name? Open your mouth, Bob. What's your name? Is this what you do for a living? Is this what you do for a living? See my face. They will see this guy. Open your mouth and come. Is this what you do for a living? That is what you do for a living. In Ugep, we have complaints that you have destroyed so many homes, so many family homes. You keep telling a particular woman that the husband is evil. You tell a particular man that the wife is a witch. Even some families are suffering from the same thing in the TDD community. Look at the camera. This is what you do for a living, not so. That is what you do for a living. All right. Okay. So he had confessed to the crime. We are going to allow the youth to do their rights, and then they'll take them right the community, and afterwards we'll do what we'll do. Thank you very much.
The other news again will happen. This one tough. You see, if God give you talent, if they give you talent to be blessed, you understand me now? And as God they give you talent, this one why they talk now for my Imo State brothers, they now want to talk this news for. If God give you talent, He give you talent to be blessed, He give you talent to be rich, He give you talent to know people, you know, He give you talent for every good thing, He give you talent to inspire people. They say, His name na Gucci Egbunine. He dey sing all this soprano music. La la la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Nah, he dey sing that kind of music. Na him, you know, say as they sing this music, children they watch him. They want be like him because this Gucci wey this one na very big boy. From Imo State now, you go they sing for Lagos, they sing for Abuja, they don't even go America, go everywhere because of this voice. But one small boy can't take him by surprise. This boy they say groundnut. Yeah, see the boy. One small boy just catch him by surprise. He won't come collect food for Gucci mouth. He won't come do pass special day for the game before. The funny part is they're from the same state. This small boy just carry granite. You know, they said granite before. You don't carry granite enter street. You put another one guy don't carry phone, camera like this, begin the video round. Now the guy begin to sing you. You know, he sing, eh? Oh boy, see voice. People come they gather around. Some they spray money, some they give him many things. Now the governor of the state hopes on him myself. He don't vex. Say this guy, I will take care of you. I will do everything for you. They come forget say if I get one superstar, they come Gucci Egbunine, come follow this boy. And the boy they trend now. Play the video.
Onye dika gị izigwe
Our sister, what did they call Cynthia Morgan? You know that get that time now. What they call the German juice? Cynthia Morgan. No, not say that get don't feel cast. The girl rain. Put a picture of her, Cynthia Morgan alpha. That time when I wait for my daughter. That time when you dey rain. People tell us say make you dey careful, make you respect your guy, make you respect your boss, make you make you do everything, make you know dey follow anyhow boy, no dey follow people wey dey smoke igbo. You can't say na lie, you can't go follow Burna Boy. You follow Burna Boy, the stallion just enter your head. Burna Boy begin dey totori you, they draw, they squeeze the electricity for your body. Your guy said we put almost 40 million for your talent now. That one country they tell you say nah, give me this thing small. Now you know I'm Igbo man. Give me this thing small, let me do. Which is Judo Koye. You refuse. You say nah Burna Boy, you go they follow that time. Jay Burna Boy don't dump you now. You don't go the friend one of our sister from America. Your eye don't clear now. He dump you. The music producer call, the music company they constantly dump you. Or even your first everybody dump you. You come broke. You come become broke ass bitch. Broke ass bitch. The video one come do the worst now. You can't still draw it because you don't forget say you cost the video that time. Say it's a fuck boy. He called the video fuck boy. The video can't still remember him. No, that boy a very bad boy. The video can't still do one video after quarter and say, Mogabe, call me. That is our sister. Now I call him. As he call him, he can't be like person will be say he had himself before. He don't escape the stadium lights. He don't go hide. The video called us pet and say, oh baby come, I want to sponsor you. I want to give you everything. Now they get Brigade come out to media just catch him again. The video now, you know see the video now deceive the deceiver. The video dump him. Again, her problem come become times 2, her hair come spark. Maybe small thing now. Since then, everybody is in our course so just they cause rat pass it, go cause and go say you this rat turn that will fire you, you will never make it in life. fly pass, so when you go say this fly, it never be well with you. Yeah, just the cause, they blame everybody for a fucked up. Blame everybody to the extent she can't go carry course. You go, no, so now Benin, they get Ayala, they get Ogun, they get everything. Now you go there, you can't go swear. Big swear, maybe small swear, this girl swear, this our sister swear. Very big swear where he swear for Judokoye and Peter, and Paul. He swear for them. He swear for them. And the matter. Now would they think as one take go beggar, make she for return the cost. No say Benin girls, no sabi cost. If boy break on a heart, Ogun. If una still break boy heart, Ogun still. Everything that they call Ogun. Ogun. Before she yellow, if you see her time, she yellow. This one with this our sister. I know one does cause her because of my sister. This was our sister with so. That time when she dey rain, she fine, but after she do those her character wey she do, come go mumu for full of those useless people dey smoke, wey dey take bobo clat, wey dey take ganja, Burna Boy dem. She come black like this my statue dey for front and dey see so. Picture no dey lie. That's him. Well, I wish you were my sister. May God help you. If my person do this one, God will help you for one. Yes, now still me, Abu Jesus. Hey Google, be careful. Now express you they go. Hey Google, be careful. Now express you they go. You know, one of our brothers don't say that music before. I know call our brother, one of our papa, they call Obesiri. One Yoruba man, don't say that music before. Hey Google, make now be careful. When I don't know Google means masquerade. Maybe small thing. Two masquerade can jam head like where APC and PDP jam head. Just wait till they happen for Benin, Obaseki and Izuyamu plus Oshomole. Maybe small fight too. These two Google. This one, if it, how I want to explain this fight for now to understand. I bet. No be lie you. The fight, she don't always now see the fight. This one give this one cartoon, this one give this one cartoon, this one cast papa for grind. Come like on WWE, come for they beg them. They try to the matter. That one never finish. Nigeria now, not the person now Zoom. Animal take place so now foul come they challenge dog. Let me smart dog will get teeth, different kind of teeth like lion. With the teeth go bite everything, bite. Just they bite, even bite this my laptop, bite everything, bite it. Fowl will not get it. If it's way to do this dog, they fight. The fowl they give him. Ikbisha, in the give the fowl. Wow. What you come time me say the dog can't run. I just put her for head. I don't put her for head. I come on my eyeglass. I clean my face. I can't begin to cry. Dog they run for fowl. When I tell you like, play on.
Aí sangrando, eu acho feio isso.
Você não tá viu nada aí?
Ele acha bonito.
Que nada. Esse galo é pra fazer. Esse galo é o cabelo. Eu tô dizendo que esse galo é o cão, é a cachorra que corre dentro.
Now the matter we see they settle. This matter we see they settle. This matter. This master we see they settle. Another one can go show face again. Which one will come to see again? We can't tire me now. Two people, man and woman, will go find daily bread. Probably that man will be person husband, and probably that woman will be person wife. They're gonna say they want to fight their own fight. But this time, that fight, they say when they watch it, they say, even when the television low. Show their picture first. You know, because I don't go to play the video, now picture will just put the picture. That they see them. Too big agbaya. They don't see where they walk. Camera there everywhere. They begin to do mouth fight. For mouth fight, they do chest fight. For chest fight, they begin to do the whole fight. They can't jump body. They can't, they can't jump body. I for play the video, but I no fit play am because why? E get standard policy wey dey for internet. If you say if I play am, they fit ban this video for me, so I no go play am. Just the picture, see them. They just dey fool themselves. I don't know what they happen for that Nigeria. Una no get house wey be say una fit dey do this kind of nonsense. And for una wey dey watch me, na advice for una too, because una wey dey una sabi am well. Anyhow una don see una sef, una don light fire. Una dey toilet, una go light fire. Una go club, una go light fire. Una dey kitchen, una go light fire. Wetin dey happen? Anyone does now don light fire. Lighting. Waiting. Una go even dey church, una go light fire. Just dey light fire, dey go everywhere. Make una be careful. Camera dey everywhere now. E no be like before again. Where the world don't know anything, now they don't open. Chinese don't make camera. They just this camera they watch me. This one they watch me. Another one they watch me. And I say they watch you now. So my sisters then, if the thing hook now, I beg when I tell the boss say or the bros say I beg bros, make go hotel. At least within 1 hour make una pay. Do the thing. Na simple thing. I'm the fool ourselves again. Nigeria trying for bad things. Let me small thing. Our sponsor today, our sponsor, we don't get this. Find out how they grow. We dey grow every day. We can never go low. We dey go up. Our sponsor today, now one mama, one of our big sister, one of our sweet Asian sister, one of our Nigerian sister, Fidelia. What did they call her? For this city where I did, they call Amia. Her name is Fidelia. If you see her. Fine, nice. You see this woman, and she gets swag. She confess. Come say, man, since we say everybody go there for Europe here, na African, na supermarket they go buy things, go buy rice, go buy this one. And she vex her shop done there before, but she come pick the shop. What is there for that shop? I know fit talk everything wey dey for the shop. I know fit talk everything. But wetin I go just do be say I go just play na the video wey she take do or wey we take do promo for am, because na she sponsor this program. He say, man, Farawa, this program must go on. I don't care how much it will take. This program must go on. Now tell I like the lie when I watch the video. Play am. Yes, our sister, thank God, oh, God bless you. You track pass. Our papa, what do they call Adamo Shomole, the former APC chairman. No see that guy. He don't tell that guy they make news, maybe today. He don't tell before Dino begin they sing all those music, they do all those Adamo Shomole, na bad guy. If you see the step where they give. When this guy dance, if this guy dance, people they give him a chance. And so they play the music, they begin they dance. But that guy gets sense. So as he hears say, after the reggae play the blues, after the reggae you go play the blues. He don't get the code, now he don't move. He don't really dance again. That guy, they see front too. You don't know say he know. Nobody say no. He know. Say man, after the reggae, he go play the blues. Because what that guy don't put on the kind of man who Shimole put on there. You. Don't worry. This dance where they dance, you will dance tired. You never even set. This guy, see dance where step where they give that time. When power the sweeter. But you don't know say one day he will dance the blues. But he still know. Because they just play the music. After the reggae play the blues, then the guy don't move. He just dodge. Nothing a lie. Play on.
From my ghetto, never forget where I come from, not from ghetto. No. I just want to say thank you, Jehovah. After the reggae, play the blues, make you do as I do.
Thank you. One of our beautiful sisters, what did they call Smiley Angel? They get celebrate her Pekin birthday for Paris here, which is France. She finished work. People they cry say coronavirus deal, money no deal, hungry deal for where constant party. Food that people never wait, people don't since this coronavirus, food they don't see chop for like 4 or 5 months now. They see and eat that day. See flexing. Different people come. People like KC, DJ KC, different people. They come for the, I swear, they come for the this thing. They come for a Pekin birthday. How? So that the boy where they do MC said and say he catch one, one salmon quick. He begin the salmon and salmon. I would say, DJ MC. Now you be MC. Why you gonna do like this? You supposed to the MC us, not to the salmon quick they go. Now the guy can't realize. He can't maintain. He can't calm down. Our sister, God bless you. And may God bless your son too. You understand? More blessing for una. I greet you now. Big boy. See, you know, see his suit. See how the guy, so Pekin is supposed to dress. Now, so not supposed to dress Pekin. No, man. Oh boy, God will bless you, bro. No go straight. Yes, thank you very much for watching News by Pictures. Now, under Farowa production, we will bring out this news and it will come out like this. Sometimes it will come once in a week, sometimes it will come twice in a week, depending as the news take day. So, make una beg, they subscribe for our channel. They subscribe for our YouTube channel. They like us. Sometimes they share our program too, so that make we dey grow. If I grow, we all go grow. Our community go grow. Now so life be, now turn by turn. And now help we dey help each other. So, if una get una birthday party or una get any product wey una wan do advert or una wan shoot una musical video, always contact Farowa Production through this email wey dey for una screen right now. Always contact us. We dey there. People talk to people. People understand. Not look say now so the money wey I get bill. No. We don't do like that. Our own. Our motto na to make people grow. Mostly when you get talent, we will make you grow. That's why we dey. We dey here for talent. And also some of una wey sabi write email. Abeg o, when I call this number, wey dey screen so, wey this number wey I dey see so, when I call am. No be say make una call am for direct o. Na WhatsApp number. Una fit write me message. Una fit still call am. But if I no pick, when I do voice message or when I write, na very simple thing. discuss with me anywhere where you dey. You dey Nigeria, you dey Europe, you dey America, you dey Germany, you dey Canada, anywhere where even like the Ogbomoso, write, call us, we go answer you. Ideas, e dey pay when we share am. Till we see again for another episode of News by Picture. Na your boy, Abu Jesus, aka Undisputed Forever, aka Sweet Prince, aka Papa Hassan, aka Papa Mami. I made the reach you now. Now well done. Thanks for watching. Till we see again.